If you're trying to remove a primary website domain on Bluehost, there's one very important thing to know right away. You usually cannot directly delete or unassign a primary domain while it is still set as the main domain on your Bluehost account. So in this video, I'm going to show you the safest way to handle it, including how to contact Bluehost support, change the primary domain, and then remove the old domain properly. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Bluehost and web hosting guides. Alright, let's get into it. First, before making any changes, back up your website files and databases. This is always a smart step whenever you're changing domains or account settings. If anything gets moved, updated, or disconnected, having a backup gives you a safe copy of everything. Next, log into your Bluehost portal. Once you're inside your account, look for the question mark icon in the top right corner. This is where Bluehost usually places its help and support options. Click that question mark button. Then choose the chat option to contact support. When the chat opens, you may start with a bot. In that case, type that you want to talk to a live agent. Keep it simple and clear. You can say something like, I need help changing my account's primary domain so I can remove the old one. Once the bot connects you to a live support agent, explain that you want the primary domain changed to a different web address. This step is important because Bluehost typically requires support to switch the primary domain before the old one can be removed. So don't skip this part. Wait for the agent to confirm the change and make sure the new domain is set as the primary domain on your account. After Bluehost changes the primary domain, you can move on to removing the old domain. Now go back to your Bluehost dashboard. From there, click on Hosting and then open cPanel. Inside cPanel, scroll down until you find the Domain section. Then click the Domains icon. In the Domains list, locate the domain you want to remove. Next to that domain, click Manage. This opens the settings for that specific domain. Once you're in the management page, look for the Remove Domain option and click it. Bluehost will likely ask you to confirm your choice. Take a moment to double check that you are removing the correct domain before you confirm. Once you're sure, confirm the removal. After that, Bluehost will unassign or remove the old domain from your account settings, and that's it. The key thing to remember is that the primary domain has to be changed first through Bluehost support before the old one can be removed. If you try to skip that step, you may not see the option you need. If this video saved you time, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more Bluehost tutorials, website setup tips, and hosting walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.